Welcome to 7718 Rambling Brook Way, Stanton. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Nice high ceilings. Some nice renovations. We renovated the kitchen and the bathrooms. And upstairs has all new flooring. We have a brand new quartz countertop, sink, plumbing, stove, and hood. There is an attached, oversized 2-car garage. And this closet under the stairs has built-in organizer. The downstairs has the half bath. Oversized 2-car garage with the laundry hookups. Lots of storage space. And the 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths are upstairs. Asking price is $700,000. We will be holding this house open this weekend. If you'd like to come by,